Hey. So this week we're talking about the nature. So pronunciation, nature. British English, nature. I like both of them. All right, so here I have some sentences that we will practice together. Got it? Now, if I want to say el árbol está lleno de musgo, yeah. The tree is full of moss. Now, if I want to say la tierra está llena de musgo, the soil is full of moss. So this exercise is for you to keep repeating yourself different sentences that make you remember the right structure with the right vocabulary. All right. Now, this is the next one. Los champiñones, los hongos, let's say los hongos, son comúnmente encontrados en un ambiente húmedo. Mushrooms, fungus, are commonly found in a damp environment. Damp is another synonym for humid, D-A-M-P. I'll repeat. Mushrooms are commonly found in a damp environment. Okay, the next one is no te pares en el musgo. Está resbaloso. Do not step on the moss. It is slippery. Okay, so when something is resbaladizo, slippery is the right word. Okay. Frío y húmedo es el clima perfecto para mí. Cold and damp is the perfect weather to me. Okay, or for me, I guess. Okay, the next one. Ese camino está algo resbaladizo y lleno de hongos. That way is kind of slippery and full of mushrooms. I think mushrooms are beautiful in the wild. They're amazing. Okay, guys, so these were some sentences to practice with. Have a nice day.